2016 Mercedes GLS 450. The problem was that this thing right here did not work, period. Nothing was happening. Had a code for communication between this guy and the head, and it turned out to be a power issue. On this thing it's got two connectors, one for this guy, one for this guy. They got power, ground, and two communication lines. Basically, first time I was testing with the scope, but in reality second time I just used my tester. You can read ground, power, and 2.5 over communication lines. The thing is, I did not have the power here. That's what I was thinking the issue is, and I was trying to trace it down because this car has been crashed, fixed, but I was not able to find where it's getting the power for this thing. Checked all the fuses. I took out the seat, the radio controls under the seat. Here you got the navigation, everything. Took out the head. Was looking for the same color wires to kind of see, if something is missing, but just did not find it. Where it's supposed to be getting the power from, I have no idea. The way I resolved it, there are a whole bunch of another. You can find some connectors that are not used, and they do have the ignition power. So basically I just hooked it up like that. Everything works. Got no codes, so not exactly the best fix, but it works. So in case if you think your control is bad, check what you have on those wires. You're gonna have power on the sides. You're gonna have the power and the ground, and somewhere there's only 4 wires going here and 4 wires here. It's pretty much the same. Power, ground, to in the middle communication. 2.5 volts on the communication wire. Something. So alright, thanks.